Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we have some awesome content. We're gonna be adding some more carbon fiber to Ruby, but this time it's not in the inside. We're gonna be adding it on the outside. So that's my first time adding some carbon fiber to the outside, so I'm excited. And here's the box. I haven't opened the box yet, so let's go ahead and do that. I want to thank the new subscribers and the support that I'm getting on the videos. Make sure to drop a like and comment. This rear end doesn't look too bad, but I kind of want that clean look. I miss it. I used to have the RTR Decklid. It was the RTR one, and I painted this one gloss black, but it has some swirls on it that I didn't like. And I just added this RTR this RTR license plate holder. It's pretty cool. So now that we know that how it looks before, let's go ahead and open the package, because I can't wait any longer, guys. Let's hope it's not cracked. So this is how it looks packaged, guys. Real quick. This one's a little bone. When you see the bone, you're in the zone. It's really light. Alright, let me just put the camera down. Y'all ready? Oh yeah, y'all ready? Boom! Check this out. It looks good. It even comes with a sticker. Yes, sir. Damn, I have no words. It's pretty thin. I guess it's actual weight reduction. Really is crazy. I don't know how I'm gonna install this though. It's weird. Here's how it looks. But the back is like not like the RTR Decklid. I don't know if I could even add 3M tape in the back, like if it will even stick. Go ahead and take off the Decklid, or put in the fishing line or whatever you call it. Putting it behind the Decklid and sliding it on top of here. I've taken off some of the 3M stickers so I can put this wedge in between there. And we could put more over here on top. We actually got it done with a bunch of wedges. And it's off, just like that. Not broken. Probably just hang this on my wall. Out with the old. We got the new one. Even in the dark it shines, bro, with these lights. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to clean all this rubber off, but gotta do it. Alright guys, so we managed to take off some of the residue off. So this is what it looks like. It's not like perfect, but it's smooth. We need to use some JB Weld to stick the Decklid on, but I don't know how to use it, so let's go ahead and learn. We're gonna learn today. This is what I'll be using, guys. My first time using it, so let's hope it works out. Cut little pieces, and it's recommended to wear some gloves so you don't get dirty down. That's what it looks like. It's pretty satisfying. This is what it looks like once it's fully mixed. So nobody told me this thing sets in like seconds. It's like hard as a rock, bro. Like for real. It took me like this much steel stick. But we've got it up here, and man, I really hope that doesn't fall. But I guess it's on there. Pretty straight, pretty sturdy. Whatever. Alright guys, we'll wait for tomorrow. Alright guys, it's already the next morning, so I already took the clamps off. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, it's on here pretty sturdy. Doesn't move too much, you know. So I guess it did this job. So y'all ready for the reveal? Alright, this is what it looks like. It looks really amazing, guys. It looks way cleaner now. I like how the gray carbon fiber matches with the Euro lights. It's kind of the same color scheme, you know. It for sure stands out more. It's not your typical S187 rear end. It's coming along pretty well, guys. Coming along pretty well. I think it's just missing like the side skirts, but I guess that can wait, guys. I think we should take her out in the sunlight to see how the sun reflects on the carbon fiber. Let's do. By the way, if you guys haven't noticed, I have a set of boxes over here. And yes, there are some new wheels for Ruby. I recently traded my Mach 1 wheels for some AMR wheels, and I wasn't pretty happy about that. I'll explain later in another video, but to make it short, I didn't want to spend more money like having to refinish these and retouch them. I don't want to spend more money retouching these, so went ahead and just ordered me some new ones. If you guys want to see the reveal for those wheels, make sure to subscribe, and I'll be ahead and posting that on the next video. hot outside, guys. I got blinded by the light. It's 9 in the morning. It's already close to 100 degrees, bro. So yeah, guys, that's how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car maybe later tonight. I think I'm actually gonna trade these wheels for some drag wheels today. So if you guys liked today's video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys till next time.